JAMB 2022, question 27. The question says we should rationalize 4 root 7 plus root 2 divided by root 2 minus root 7. And in the principle of rationalizing the denominator, we have it that we multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So now we know that the denominator in this case, denominator is given as root 2 minus root 7. Then the conjugate of the denominator is simply root 2 plus root 7. What we just do when we're evaluating conjugates is changing the sign in between them. So let's rationalize this third expression, and that's 4 root 7 plus root 2 divided by root 2 minus root 7. And we know that this will be equals to 4 root 7 plus root 2 divided by root 2 minus root 7. And we're going to multiply by the denominator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. And that will give us root 2 plus root 7 divided by root 2 plus root 7 divided by root 2 plus root 7. So let's simplify this together now. We take the LCM. The LCM here will be root 2 minus root 7 being multiplied by root 2 plus root 7. So we have 4 root 7 plus root 2 is being multiplied by root 2 plus root 7. So just like normal opening of brackets, we do the same for numerator and denominator. So we have 4 root 7, open the brackets to multiply root 2 plus root 7. And then we have root 2 also to multiply root 2 plus root 7. Likewise for the denominator, root 2 multiplies root 2 plus root 7, and minus root 7 multiplies root 2 plus root 7. Now let's remind ourselves of the principle of sorts, where we say root A multiplied by root B is simply root AB, and root A divided by root B is simply root A over B. We'll be using more of the first law. So let's multiply the terms together now. So this will be 4 root 7 multiplied by root 2 will give us root 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4 root 7 multiplied by root 7, which will give us root 7 times 7, and this is root 49, plus root 2 multiplied by root 2, that's root 2 times 2, and this will give us root 4, plus root 2 multiplied by root 7 will give us root 2 multiplied by 7, and this will give us root 14. divided by the denominator root 2 multiplied by root 2 will give us root 2 times 2, which is simply root 4. And similarly, root 2 multiplied by root 7 will give us root 2 multiplied by 7, which is root 14. Minus root 7 multiplied by root 2, that's root 7 multiplied by 2, that's also root 14, and minus root 7 times 7, and that is root 49. Now let's simplify further. So this will give us 4 root 14 plus 4 root 49 is 7 into 7. Root 4 is 2 and plus root 14. From the denominator, root 14 and minus root 14 will nullify each other, and we'll be left with root 4 which is 2 minus root 49 which is 7. So let's solve the numerator. 4 root 14 plus root 14 will give us 5 root 14. This is 28 plus 2, and the denominator is what? 2 minus 7, which is minus 5. So we have minus 5 root 14 plus 30 divided by minus 5. So if we divide all through by negative 5, we will have minus 14 or minus root 14, and 30 divided by minus 5 will give us, okay, dividing all through by minus 5, this doesn't have negative, please. Minus root 14 and minus 6, and this can also be written as minus 6 minus root 14, which is an expression of option A.